If you want to automatically add Activecampaign subscriber from your WordPress form, then this video is just for you. In this video, we will be using the premium version of Forminix Form Builder plugin for WordPress. You can purchase the premium plugin from Forminix.com. I have already created a contact form using the plugin and placed the form in my contact page. Now from your admin panel, navigate to the modules menu of the plugin and turn on Activecampaign Integration. Then let's go to the settings of the form we have created and navigate to the Integrations tab. Click the Add Integration button and choose Activecampaign. You must provide your Activecampaign API URL and API key. To get those, you will have to go to your Activecampaign dashboard. Then click Settings from the sidebar panel and navigate to Developer tab. Copy the API URL and API key and place them into Forminix. If you want, you can choose a specific contact list in which the subscriber will be added. Last step is to map the form fields, like which form field will be used as which profile information of the subscriber. In example, I will be choosing my email address field value as the subscriber's email address and first name field value as the subscriber's first name and the last name field value as the subscriber's last name. Let's now save the settings and start testing our Activecampaign integration. Great! Form Submitter has been successfully added as a subscriber in Activecampaign, and you have just learned how we did the Activecampaign integration using Forminix.